I have FHI Heat's Essence Blow Dryer, which I absolutely love. It has the titanium in it, and it also has this wonderful comb attachment to it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna demonstrate how you can actually hold the blow dryer. Me personally, I love to hold it with the nozzle. I'm gonna start in, and what a key thing what a lot of people get wrong is they go straight in and it's hard for them to detangle. But if you actually turn it a slight bit and go at an angle, you can detangle and have a good blow dry. Let's demonstrate. I'm gonna turn it on. Always start from the ends and work your way up. And you always want to have a good tension on your hair. Now we're going to demonstrate how to use the nozzle. Now with FHI Heat, it's such an easy way just to take off the comb attachment and then go in and apply the nozzle. I love it because it's wide enough that you can actually put on your brush. You never ever want to use your blow dryer without a nozzle or concentrator or with a comb attachment. The reason why the heat from the inside of the dryer, you never want to actually apply it to the hair. You can burn your hair by that. So you always want to use a blow dryer with some type of attachment. So today we're going to use the nozzle. What we're going to do here, we're going to take a dimming brush. Now this is a nice dimming brush. It helps detangle the hair. And just blow dry. Now if you notice what I just did, I applied the dimming brush straight on the hair. Now I'm gonna do an upward swooping motion, brush down, and that will give me tension to actually blow dry the hair straight. Let's try that with the blow dryer. On, downward. You see how quick that is? And now you're training the hair to prepare for it to be flat iron or curled. And that's it. Very easy, very simple.